Hi, you guys. So I'm running a little late getting started on the day, at least filming. I just got back from the grocery store. I started prepping dinner, which I'll come back and share with you guys in a little bit. But I did want to get my advent calendars open because I'm getting ready to have lunch at 10 o'clock in the morning. So let's start with the wine. I did go ahead and poke the thumb hole. Not that that helps a whole lot. So let's see what we got today. We have a Sauvignon Blanc. A delightful Sauvignon Blanc from Chile's Vale Central. Zesty and refreshing with tropical fruit flavors of gooseberry, passion fruit, and hints of mouth-watering fresh lime. Wahahaha. Not that, really? I think when they say roast chicken and stuff over there, I don't think they're thinking turkey enchiladas, which is what's for dinner. But, and spot 2 on my truffles over here. All right, let's see what you are. That is a mascarpone truffle. There we go with my advent calendars for today. I'm going to sit down and eat my turkey sandwich. Yes, Karen, it is a sandwich. I'm pretty hungry. And I will check back in with you guys when I start making dinner. See you soon. Hi, you guys. So I meant to actually come back and talk to you about making this, but I got totally distracted. No real surprise there. Ooh, I spilled enchilada sauce on the counter. Anyway, so I'm the only one in my family that eats dark meat from the turkey, unless it's like hidden in food. So I took the leftover dark meat from Thanksgiving, some tortillas, enchilada sauce, cheese, jalapenos, and instead of rolling it into enchiladas this time, I decided to do basically an enchilada bake lasagna kind of thing. But if you're still looking at your food, trying to figure out like how to hide the turkey from your family, my husband doesn't even realize he's eating turkey half the time when I make this. He just knows it's poultry, not beef. But yeah, I just take a large can of enchilada sauce, simmer it with some onions, a couple tablespoons of the juice from pickled jalapenos, simmer it until everything gets kind of thick, drop some cheese in there, let it cool off. Put a layer of tortillas down in your pan, meat, enchilada sauce mixture, another layer of tortillas, cheese, meat, tortillas, a small can of enchilada sauce, and you can split that between the bottom and the top if you're worried about it sticking. Tortillas, cheese, and then I'm topping it with pickled jalapenos. So super quick, super easy, super mindless, and it helps get rid of about 50% of the turkey I have left over every year. So just wanted to let you in on the secret before I throw this in the oven and start getting ready for dinner. Bye, guys. Does anybody want a cat? I'm trying to fold laundry. Now he's going to be like all innocent and just clean his hand. But he has literally not let me do anything. No, he hasn't. Hi guys, so I'm getting ready to go take my shower and get all switched into my PJs and tucked in for the night, but I did want to come in and wrap up this video real quick. So I keep forgetting to share this really beautiful handmade card that I got from Marsha over Made by Marsha's mom, Marsha Mom. Marsha. And she included some beautiful teas. Got cinnamon, chai, and candy cane. I'm sitting here watching Miss Mary Todd. and drinking my glass of wine from today. And I'm going to set in to work on my mom's blanket when I get out of the shower. So I did want to wrap up and get this uploaded for you guys, but I will see you tomorrow morning.